Ache ya mwakwaba Adom TV Badwam dwumade no eso bra ye de nnwom adidi akan ya no de adu so no eye Badwam kase ensam no do so ne to dwa wo mu bia wo betini wo koda ne nsuo ye toye no adehye a wo mo Cape Coast amanfo electoral area wo manfa na hoguno so ye de honsam no ebebro na fe ya bo ransom foforo mu na yakọ Kasoa Zongo 94 adehye ne kire se hono enkwaye won mo gata nom ne ade Penifom Rameboa won. Eno ne nsem bi na no pay me de browse Adom TV Badwam kase. O share me live on Facebook/Adom TV Extra Go TV channel no 119 DSTV 280 or YouTube on so Adom TV Tube. Kase no ne dwumadi nkaye wo ho. Ebrebe mu so na wo te office ba bia wo bia wo log ko adomonline.com ensem ni nyina nso gu ho no agebra kan videos ni audios ni na so ho. Medi de afia amankwa tamaklo. Afia nsem no nchiremu no eni nanu kwada nso to maimu enkran ne mpotemu sa honmu ne finfini mantemu ene eja won kra na wo ma wo Cape Coast amanfo East electoral area de so yiri se won de manyina Adom TV kase ko ho etwaso
Pocho ne deze ina onya agolo mutu menyo shosoro wana muntu mundumi gate nano na mafu esu na madash na mine enyinya ayigina ha enti yigina nim na muhye mo office wa na tenne wura enyim dam na tena ba beka da so cho budama no bugwa na yigina ha yigina na ye shoso mo siste no so shoso wo mo no lolo mansu da la no nsu oninsam memu wa da nshi na nati wa so na asimo da azim da mo okubo otim na oli piano ba obaya baka enturumani mo mo no ne adine dwe kakra ye dollar so na foforo ba na Africa cat me yeyi ona we him ni bio nti nsu no hwile na adine baka he mu ni na mo fiyi na mo nanim ka shem tibi bi atwam no wazim mama ka shem ma no yeze yin nti adina wa nyina ne nyina no munate nti amezi mpoze Mentuma hene mushi na tunda wa ogudan inside yenza ma asase television o nyane say
Assembly member awo Amanfo East Electoral Area Victoria Swansea enso ne Adom News nsentwofo etwetwe sansemu nkomo no wo de nsem sei na tudwa
Timo na wo frefre no so mara mebra nti mu hu kwana amafa dom brand ya ho na ma start there mara frefre na dum mpanyimfo there one brand the masemi na waatu eja na dum fo so wo be na wo hwe na de wo fa 5 service na 5 service fo so de America wo be na in fact as no ye papa ma nwa na wa academy na de 5 service fo no wutwa okura no wuro no wuyi nwa na wo fi wo de ni wo the one for tokrom na wo the one here with the sap in fact in paying for will ten or Adom TV you be someone hono wa ba wo fi han onye okakraba because kuku wejuru we wa ba be san abobo
adehye ya wo mo Kasoa Zongo 94 eya wutu senya East mensin mu sani manimi ya no mpedifom ra na wo meboa wo mo na wo mo gata ne de nyame anim ne nye school mo frakra fa hokra na ehu people's forum then ready enkopie ho no ma wo de wakosem etudwe
6 years ombe juri gota no na ye gota kitu bi aye fem ko ye ho ara ye si ona bosi ye be yi gota na ombe yi amana kase etu aye nim ha
ona boben
hawa omesom na oma grade ne ba ma ombo 2 gota no ombo 2 gota no ko ya for so many years almost 6 years ni ya ho bia ya to na mo sa onu se mimi se mi nko ne nim da ba ono ani do ma de nechi ye de ya ma ba ha ba videos na de omo da ton platform so so ba be ye ho ama so to de aye bre
ekwan we na nke ye major road ekwa kosi nyinya no new town ekwa kosi but all of a sudden ya wa na esi o ye betu gata ye de enim say ya de pa is na be ya nsu en farm for but all of a sudden almost 7 years now it's more than 7 years no betu gata we mame gata wa o sha
omunye ho hwe nkwaya ni bi to me patre no me pra wa ha say when you look around you see the erosion akose amanfo dan say bibia say yaka but oka na ye politicize ade no and the way it's not politics krom ha ne yete ye bre well shy na nso to ye gate won se nkola bebre anko school because obata mbe na be se we siesie ne ba ho ahye ne shoe ahye ne socks mama na be fa gata we mu it's obeba na tenefie enti yesterday said the right authorities embra ye aid no mo mbe boa yin.
Regional Highway Engineer Engineer Emmanuel Odai ne wasipokua sensa wamdi enti ama chere bebre no electricity enhoma ya waso wom hye ne ye pa ene afe wom wose etwa mpatade de ma wom a onsanka yenti oni Adom kase ne di sa enkomo yi
tia no there were some few challenges material wise any other things are expect sanka ebe ban tentem structures na no very huge structures na wo hia nyama bia ebe manyama nyina koyi na enye ni nyina na enya no immediately it is our hope say by October November no akebe tumi awie but that is everything so the way I hear share pepe and I say nsuo no so ha adwin kesia because nsuo no to kesia sana ese nyama bibiri wo kwan no so because structures no and take place afi so compensation bibia draw we no back and a relocation of the utility lines like Ghana Waterfall and electricity the high tension way no so ombeya say omo sisi but ombeya say a total blackout and sana ometumi move lines to the other side.
Yet was so now one agent here war colleges of education 2022 batch a year degree holders no and they wanted then is Ghana Education Services send one more ABA self placement portal no sabe ya one kasa district officer or kwachira ade wo ho no one kasa ye ne dia eno ho sam ini
24 tenase ahwehwem ye se enipa omo apply enko ano na omo ebro empim aduonu ene ekiri na yehwehwe mu no na empim du mienu enye sa empim du mienu ene ekiri na omo qualify na de yehunu ewo sanse ye ni mu ni se ebi ne mko ebi a obi free from mantem na ye de no ato atifi mantem obekọ no na kasa omuka ho no mpo no nte ti ehun se sa akonsidie na ho no se yi free ho na ebetimi ye free ho a na ewo se ye ma teacher for ho kwan ema wo mo anso ehwe ye vacancies a ye wo no ye de to abefo entintan fidie entintan so se obi anko no onkohwe na vacancies a ye display no wo district bia ewo man mu no omonhwe se listen say vacancies no edoso there but ya ye ne say there omo a ye fa wo mu no ya creative vacancies na ma omo nti ukwa ukọ no akọ akọtwisu ba bia wo pepe se wo be ye adwuma kwan a omo fa so omo ye application omo nkọ ho a secretary bia nim kanene
MPP Amanyo Kochotroni Ora Justin from Pon Kodria said ne one running mate you know Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempe Ayobia Onimde na enkabomunso wana afemu pa na enra na mpanimfo wa MPP Amanyo Ko no mu ye bibia wie ya won franka tuni Dr. Mahmoud Baumia na running mate odo won kwakire ye no eno won gi ni tum anti ne running mate ma MPP Amanyo Ko ye Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempe na po
Nani aye no say o ma be ya franka tuni abede se ma MPP Amanyo Ko no we Matthew Opoku Prempe onipa owa badaye onipa okanipa bom onipa owa abotire etimfofo New Patriotic Party ujije se ya yi ewura Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempe oni ewura Baumia ba be ye adwuma no ye ndwuma ya ye omemwa from 2017 be Prince Amri ene se ya ye dey ba 2025 no oboko ni Adom ni ato amagana fo nyina ati nsempa ye wo mo
wɔde ne nsɛm atu dwa awieɛ no Deputy Campaign Manager Aono and a share parliamentary abatoɔ ɛso a ɔsan yɛ mmarahyɛbadwani ɛwɔ Akuapem South ɔsan bonso amoa a dodoɔ na ata frɛ no obi amoa ɛnso ɛde to dwa sɛ
ɛnyɛ hwekra no ɛka sɛ yɛpɛ obi onim na fa minim na po paa so na po ba friend college na me na the same house na me here in the house prefect so collaborate na me say abrante o wa ho brase sabe uni ho brase a e ma wo ndu echi opaya me ye look president e wo KNUS Michiano na me so ya abrante wa ya payin Matthew who does say why pay you say I mean charge 2009 and I'm in the parliament
and this amanyoko no boko adu so mampani na na dodankwa Akufo-Addo and Chief Justice Gertrude Tokonu shada na Supreme Court ho wode judges won suso se MPP da wakoma so pa na hyehyɛ ho wayan sentwefo nhyiamu mo nchotro ni fifi kote de tuja chiremu so wonya ne a woyɛ ne ho nsɛm eni.
We demand that President Akufo-Addo immediately stop any plans to appoint additional judges to the Supreme Court. This reckless is not just a political maneuver. It is an outrageous assault on our democracy and a betrayal of public trust. 2, adherence to constitutional processes. We demand that any future appointment to the Supreme Court must strictly follow the constitutional process, including consultation with the Judicial Council. This blatant disregard for established procedures is not only unconstitutional, but also morally reprehensible. It is a slap in the face to every Ghanaian who believes in the rule of law and the sanctity of our democratic institutions. 3, transparency and accountability. We call for the full disclosure of the criteria and process used for the selection of these judges. This is essential to ensure transparency and accountability. The clandestine and backdoor dealings to appoint loyalists represent a disgrace. This hidden agenda fuels public distrust and fosters a culture of corruption and undermines the integrity of our judiciary. Immediate reversal of the unconstitutional appointment request. We demand that the Chief Justice retract the unconstitutional request to appoint additional judges and ensure future actions strictly align with legal and ethical standards. This brazen overreach into the judicial realm is unforgivable. It is time to reverse these illegal actions and restore faith in our judicial system. 6, public and civil society engagement. The government must engage with civil society, legal professionals, and the public to discuss and review the process of judicial appointment, to restore trust and ensure fairness. The voice of the people must be heard. The current administration's attempts to silence dissent and operate in the shadows represent a direct threat to our democratic principles. 7, ensuring merit-based appointment. Future judicial appointment must be based on merit, experience, and integrity, rather than political affiliations.
Petrol tanker bia kwa koshia se wo hohoi sanku kwan no so e wo hohoi mensimu wo from montemu na ade hye de susu se kwan no a enyentia.
Hohoi is a municipal capital, and then all the roads we link to Hohoi, none is okay. When you are coming from Lolobi, entering Hohoi, the nature of the road is bad. From Lipe is bad. From Fodome it is bad. From Gulukwati coming here is bad. So we can't speak. I need, even if the minister can come and witness what we are saying, it is good. He should come and see what is happening here.
DO3 Bismarck Hosupobli, Hohoi Municipal Fire Commander, on also to say.
From what we can also see, it looks like he had a little bit of challenge in controlling the steer. And because the weather too was, it was drizzling and it was wet, the ground is very soft, and the heavy nature of the vehicle made it to slide to his side. And quickly we tried to check as I said, and then we ordered that they bring a different tanker so that we can empty the fuel into the tanker. So we try to raise the car back to 8 feet.
Yakubu Abbas na eshenkeni anu wotwi saa petrol tanki oni amaniboni etwetwenkom.
Bedru ha no na nsuo no to. Kwan so nye nti me doji potus de mbehwia ne se atweme e de awura gotamu amaka no amuni. Nti esre before bedru ohoi se obefiri ohoi krom no yetimi di 4 hours yenyam pie.
Menye no so na Adom TV Badwam kase na hana brema kwan na no pay ye de asia sedan koma so oje breshe ye wadaro makoso na ne yentna ye de bonkrata no ne online stories no eto so medin de afia amankwa tamaklo ye kwa ba ye nche sisi